What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we have one drone, Kaptur drone. We're gonna do a review and a flight test of this drone to see the camera quality and how far this can actually fly. So right here, as you can see, this is the battery inside. So this is basically a 7.4 volt, which is 700 million amp, right? So this is inside right now, and this is the controller right here. So I'm gonna set it up so you guys can see exactly how this operate and how this work. Wait. Get some shot. Get down some more, look at me. Make it still, yeah. No, make it still. No move, magic jig.